Title: The 3 daily supplements everyone should be taking for longevity. Introduction. In the quest for longevity and vitality, many of us turn to various strategies, from diet and exercise to mindfulness practices. However, one aspect that often gets overlooked is the role of supplements. While a balanced diet should ideally provide all the necessary nutrients, certain supplements can complement our nutritional intake and support overall health and longevity. In this blog, we'll delve into 3 daily supplements that are backed by science and can contribute to a longer, healthier life. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential fats that play a crucial role in brain function, heart health, and overall well-being. The 2 main types of omega-3 fatty acids found in supplements are eicosapentaenoic acid, EPA, and docosahexaenoic acid, DHA, which are primarily found in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. However, obtaining sufficient omega-3s from diet alone can be challenging, especially for those who don't consume fish regularly. That's where supplementation comes in handy. Research suggests that omega-3 supplements can offer a myriad of health benefits, including reducing inflammation, lowering blood triglycerides, and supporting cognitive function. Moreover, omega-3 fatty acids have been linked to a decreased risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, stroke, and certain types of cancer. They also play a role in maintaining healthy skin, joints, and vision. When choosing an omega-3 supplement, opt for a high-quality product derived from fish oil or algae oil, especially if you follow a vegetarian or vegan diet. Aim for a daily dose that provides at least 500 milligrams of combined EPA and DHA for optimal health benefits. Vitamin D. Vitamin D, often referred to as the sunshine vitamin, is crucial for various bodily functions, including bone health, immune function, and mood regulation. Our bodies naturally produce vitamin D when exposed to sunlight, but many people fall short of adequate levels, especially those living in regions with limited sunlight or spending most of their time indoors. Supplementing with vitamin D can help bridge this gap and ensure optimal levels year-round. Research indicates that maintaining adequate vitamin D levels may lower the risk of several chronic diseases, including osteoporosis, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancers. Furthermore, vitamin D plays a vital role in immune function, which is particularly relevant in today's world. Adequate vitamin D levels have been associated with a reduced risk of respiratory infections and may help support the body's defense against viruses and bacteria. When choosing a vitamin D supplement, opt for vitamin D3, cholecalciferol, as it is more effective at raising and maintaining vitamin D levels in the body compared to vitamin D2, ergocalciferol. The recommended daily intake varies depending on factors such as age, ethnicity, and sun exposure. However, a common dosage range is between 1,000 to 2,000 IU, international units, per day for most adults. Probiotics. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that colonize our gut and play a crucial role in digestive health, immune function, and overall well-being. These live microorganisms can be found in fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi. However, due to factors such as poor diet, stress, antibiotics, and aging, our gut microbiome can become imbalanced, leading to digestive issues and compromised immune function. Supplementing with probiotics can help restore and maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria, which is essential for optimal digestion and immune function. Research suggests that probiotics may alleviate symptoms of digestive disorders such as irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, inflammatory bowel disease, IBD, and diarrhea. Furthermore, emerging evidence indicates that a healthy gut microbiome is linked to various aspects of health beyond digestion, including mood regulation, weight management, and even skin health. When choosing a probiotic supplement, look for one that contains a diverse range of bacterial strains, including lactobacillus and bifidobacterium species. Additionally, pay attention to the colony-forming units, CFUs, which indicate the number of live bacteria present in each dose. A daily dose of 10 to 20 billion CFUs is generally recommended for maintaining gut health. Conclusion: while supplements should not replace a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle, they can be valuable additions to support overall health and longevity. Omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, and probiotics are three key supplements backed by research for their numerous health benefits. Incorporating these supplements into your daily routine, along with nutritious eating habits and regular exercise, can help you thrive and enjoy a longer, healthier life. As always, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Here's to your health and vitality.